Everyone, I actually bought an iPhone 7 a while ago and it came with a box and everything, and I just figured I might as well repackage it and actually unbox it for you guys. It pretty much had, I think, all the same accessories that an iPhone 7 from back in the day would actually have, and it's actually pretty insane. So within the box, the first thing you would notice is how thick these boxes were. Now this one, I wasn't able to get it fully back into place, but you can see, I mean, just look at the thickness of this thing. It had so much stuff within it. Within the back, pretty much the same type of details, 32 gigabytes, showed all this information or whatever all this other stuff is. But I mean, just how thick and how many accessories came within this. And these iPhones were cheaper back in the day too, which didn't really make too much sense to me how they're more expensive now and they offer even less accessories. Now, unboxing the top, very interesting. I don't remember if this was the top portion, if the other one was the top portion, but basically you would have your pamphlets. There were no, stickers or anything that came within this paper, but it would usually be there. However, you typically would see the iPhone 7 on top. So this is an iPhone 7. I don't think it was the appropriate iPhone 7 because it came in a different box color. But you can see this one now. This one was a broken one, unfortunately. It was cracked in the top corner as well, but I haven't really been able to use this one. I don't even know if it still turns on, to be honest. So it looks like it's not powering on. However, I do have another iPhone 7 here that still powers on, so you can kind of see what the resemblance would be. Now within the box itself, after removing this portion, you could see that we would have just so many accessories, it's not even funny. So you would have the charger outlet, which is really cool. This one is still actually having the sticker thing around it, which is really interesting. And we don't even have these anymore in the box, but you can also see we used to have, this is crazy, a pair of ear pods, which is insane. Now, I don't know if these have been opened. And it does look like these are fake ones because they don't have the actual Apple logo here, which is so funny. Apple used to literally put these inside of the box, which is so crazy to me, and that would make absolutely no sense. These, I think you can buy them for like $15 at Best Buy or something, but that's still awesome. They would have offered these for free at that time. Unfortunately, they don't do it anymore. And then you also have the charger, itself as well. And this is also really cool. I mean, we still have them in our boxes too. But I mean, when I look at the accessories that Apple used to put inside of the boxes, the charging block and these AirPods, I mean, that's actually pretty insane. So when we kind of look at what Apple used to put in our iPhones and like what we have now, it is kind of weird that we really don't have all the accessories that we used to have, I find that kind of annoying. I would have loved to have seen Apple, keep, pushing out all these different like products and stuff with all the accessories, and everything. That would be awesome. But I do think in this case, I mean, when I look at the iPhone 7, the iPhone 8, the iPhone 10, the 10R, and the iPhone 11 series, when they put all those accessories in them, it was super awesome. That was literally a great time from Apple. So that's a quick little unboxing. I'm probably going to do more of these for my older iPhones too. If you guys have any other questions or you want to see it again, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.